Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. In this one, I'm going to show you what I bought from Essence Cosmetics. Now, everything in this box are from their autumn and winter collection for 2021. I did do a sneak peek before showing you guys what was coming for their autumn and winter collection, and here we are. I went ahead and bought a few items, so I'm going to share them with you. First, let's read what it says here. Makeup is a way to say who you are without having to speak. I like that. So let's get unboxing. And I'm going to do swatches, like full review swatches for a majority of these goodies in a separate video. But today is just unboxing. Alright, first thing is first, this is the first product. And it is a multi-use airbrush blender, which I'm quite excited about, you guys. I cannot wait to give this one here a try. It looks like this, quite fluffy. So yeah, we'll definitely test this in a video, and you can use it for your concealer, foundation, blusher, highlighter. So yeah, mouth use. I cannot wait to use it. All right, moving up, we have also a mask. Now this one is the eye patches for under eyes. It says a Hydro Care eye patches, 24-hour hydration and cooling. Also has hyaluronic acid and pink berries. So this is the mask for your under eyes, which looks like this. And yeah, I use this quite a lot, but I haven't tried this one, so I cannot wait to give it a try to put it under the eyes here. Usually what I do with this kind of mask is I put them in the fridge so that they are cold, and then I put them under the eyes. And yeah, I cannot wait to give this one a try. All right, moving up, we have of course now some lipsticks. These ones are called Cool Collagen Plumping Lipsticks, and we are getting 5 different shades. So they come in this packaging right here. I'm excited to do some swatches for you guys. Let me know if you're excited to see some lip swatches for these ones here. All right, let's move on to more lipsticks, and over here I have these 3. Now these ones are called Hydrating Nude Lipsticks. I have 3 of them. The packaging of this one looks really cute. Look at that. They look like this. All right, I cannot wait to do some swatches for you guys. All right, next up I have these products here. Now the first one is of course for the autumn and winter collection, and this is says here, What the Fake Extreme Plumping Lip Filler. Right there, it looks really inviting. The color looks wonderful, and I'm excited to try this one here, although it says with chili extract. So ooh. And then we have this one here. Now this is not new, of course, but I don't think I have done a review on this one. Now this is What the Fake Plumping Lip Filler, and this one has hyaluronic acid, but this one here doesn't say with chili, so it's only this one here, and I cannot wait to try them like side by side to see which one is more plumping. But yeah, so this is how they look like both put together. So let me know if you want to see a review or comparison between the two glosses. I can definitely do that, but that's how they look like side by side. Yeah, this color looks really beautiful, really good. So that is that. And then I have this lip gloss over here. Now this is Juice Bomb lip gloss. They are quite shiny. I did do a full review of the other shades. I'm going to link the video down below if you want to check it out. But this is the new flavor, and it is in the shade 08 Pretty Plum. That's how it looks like, and that's how the color looks like. I would definitely test it and show you guys. That was everything that I picked from their autumn and winter collection for 2021. I will again do like a separate video for all of these and showing you guys full detailing close-up swatches and everything, and some try on as well. So look out for the video on the review on the lipsticks, and of course this product right here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I do appreciate all your love and support on this channel. It really does mean a lot, so thank you so much, and I am very grateful that you watch my videos, and I shall catch you all wonderful people on my next video.